Say hello to Govee Gaming Pixel Light. Experience crystal clear visuals with Govee's advanced LED tech and uniform brightness. Transform your gaming setup with its sleek, mechanical design that complements any game room.
Wow! Is this moving pixel art?
Yeah, and quite smooth. Enjoy seamless animations at 30 FPS. Explore a vast library of 150 plus preset scene modes.
Can I upload my own creations?
Of course, from static pixel art to dynamic GIFs. Unleash your creativity with complete freedom to upload and display your personal creations.
Wow!
Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro Sound by JBL. Exclusive light and sound synchronization technology. Stylish streamlined design. Matched with 360-degree circular lighting. 16 music modes responding to music beats in real time. 4.5-hour long battery life for unplugged use. 100 plus dynamic lighting effects with adjustable color temperature for different scenarios.
All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell.
The Jeedle vegetable choppers simplify kitchen prep. With 4 versatile blades for effortlessly cutting foods and vegetables. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making your kitchen experience more enjoyable and efficient. With an easy-to-use design, you can quickly create fresh salads and dishes. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, they offer both safety and convenience, making your kitchen experience enjoyable.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not seen these videos, be sure to look, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because in the future there'll be a lot of cool products. Bye bye!